Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to resolve the problem when your screen on your iPhone 16e is not respond. As you can see, my screen is completely not responding, and to fix it we just should press volume up, volume down, press and hold the side button, this button, for about 10 seconds or something about it. So sorry. And press and hold side button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Okay, when you will see the Apple logo on your screen, release the side key and wait for system loads. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.